Ho ho hello, Hollyvilly villagers. Who's ready for a very special unwrapping? Today we've got a bunch of stuff in front of us. Before we start our unwrapping, let's hear a quick word from one of our sponsors. Milk and Cookies. Are you exhausted from a long night of putting presents under the tree? Feel like you might not make it through the night? Then you need Milk and Cookies. Available in varieties including shortbread, sandwich style, fruit-filled, and classic chocolate chip. Milk and Cookies are available in houses everywhere. Act now before Milk and Cookies are all gone. We hope you enjoyed those words from the sponsor. Let's get to the unwrapping. Today we've got a bunch of stuff in front of us. Once again, villagers, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our content. Give this video a like and ring the notification bell so you know right away when we've uploaded some new videos. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to unwrap today. Let's take a look inside the first one. Here we go. All of these might be characters today. Well, what do we have here? A couple of snowmen. Let's take them out and take a look. Look at that. 2 snowmen, but are they snowmen? They're made out of wood. These have little twig arms. There's an axe right there. They've got hats made out of wood. That's a fun one. Let's put that aside and see what's in the next package. What do we want to look in next? Maybe let's look at the one with Rudolph. Here we go. Oh boy. And this is a little dog in a doghouse. Let's get that out of that package. Well, how cute is that? A little dog named Scout in Scout's doghouse. Scout's got a little friend also. Which one do we think is Scout? Is this Scout or is this Scout? Either way, they got a bowl full of water. That's a fun one. A lot of the villages have animals. How about the one with Santa? What do we think is in this? Here we go. Ooh, look at that. There's 2 of them in this one. Wow, you got some penguins. Let's open it up. We've got a pair of penguins floating on some ice blocks. That could go nicely next to some water or in the snow. Either way, those are some great fun characters to have in the background. Here we go, let's put those ones over there. How about the shiny red one next? Let's get that. This is a big one, nice and shiny. Ooh, that's hard to tear. That's a hard one to get into. We are having a hard time with this one. We might have to do a time lapse here. This paper doesn't even tear. Wow. Oh my gosh, there's 4 people in this one. 4 friends. Let's get them out of that box. Well, how about that? 4 new friends having a good old-fashioned snowball fight. Or actually, maybe there's 5 friends because, well, she's got a little dog with her. We can rearrange these, put her over there. She's getting ready to defend. He's getting ready to throw. That's a fun collection. So many new friends for our village. Maybe we'll put them like this so that they're having fun against each other from across the way. That leaves us with one last one. This nice big green box. Let's see what's inside this one now. Even more dogs and snowmen. Open up this box. Take a closer look. Let's get them out of there. Take that off and look at that one again. Hey, how about that? Our little dog friend here fetched a stick to help this young girl make a snowman. Oh, I thought that was another dog, but that's actually a snow dog. So there's a snowman and a snow dog because you can tell that's got that little stick tail. Well, let's bring all our friends here for one last look at some new collectibles for our village. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for us. Give it a like and ring the bell for notifications. Check out the full Unwrapping playlist, or have a good laugh at over 100 holiday dad jokes. See you soon, villagers!